I don't need protein supplements. My regular diet provides enough of it. Isn't that we all say? Hi guys, welcome back to Mythbuster Monday with Mighty Minerals. Now that's a common belief we all have, but let us break it down for you. Yes, your regular diet has protein, but क्या वो आपके daily requirement of protein को पूरा कर पाएगा? Firstly, it is very important to understand कि हमारी age, एक्टिविटी लेवल, गोल्स, लाइफस्टाइल और डाइटरी चॉइसेस जैसे बहुत सारे ऐसे फैक्टर्स हैं जो हमारे रोज के प्रोटीन इंटेक को अफेक्ट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ हेल्थी अडल्ट जिसका वेट इज अबाउट 70 kilograms will need about 56 grams of protein for the normal functioning of his body. इस रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरी करने के लिए फ्रॉम हिज रेगुलर डाइट he will gain way more calories than he actually need. Now imagine a kid who's growing up and needs proper protein for his growth. Then someone who is above 50 and needs to protect himself from all the diseases that are existing in the environment. A person who's obese or someone who had just had an injury, or even a lady who goes through menstrual cycle every month. We all have different bodies, different lifestyles, and thus different nutritional needs. And this is when our regular diet either falls short on protein content we need or gives us too much calories that we can't spend, which can further lead to fatal diseases like heart attack and diabetes. And this is when the protein supplements comes in spotlight, which gives us dense protein content and very little calories. So including a protein supplement in your regular diet will help you live a healthy life and save yourself from the inevitable diseases outside. I've got mine. Go grab yours.